Understanding Impaired Judgment, a guide to its meaning and usage. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the depths of a commonly used but often misunderstood English phrase, impaired judgment. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to refine your understanding of nuanced phrases, this video is tailored for you. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together and unravel the layers of impaired judgment. Impaired judgment refers to a reduction in the ability to make sensible and well-thought-out decisions. This impairment can be temporary or lasting, depending on the cause. It's crucial to understand that when someone's judgment is impaired, it doesn't just affect decision-making. It can influence one's perceptions, understanding, and actions based on those decisions. Think of it as a cloudy lens through which the world is viewed, leading to decisions that might not align with the person's usual standards or societal norms. Impaired judgment can stem from various sources. It's not just about making poor choices. It's about understanding why these choices might seem reasonable to someone at the moment. Common causes include substance use. Consuming alcohol or drugs can significantly alter one's decision-making abilities. Medical conditions. Certain health issues, like dementia or brain injuries, can affect cognitive functions. Emotional states. Intense emotions, such as anger or extreme sadness, can cloud one's judgment. Lack of information or misinformation. Not having the full picture or being misinformed can lead to decisions that are not well-founded. Recognizing impaired judgment in oneself or others is the first step towards addressing it. Signs include making decisions that are unusual or risky, ignoring advice or warnings from others, acting impulsively without considering the consequences. If you suspect someone's judgment is impaired, approach the situation with empathy. Offer support and, if necessary, professional help. If you find your own judgment compromised, it's wise to seek guidance from trusted friends, family, or professionals. Understanding impaired judgment enhances our ability to navigate complex social interactions and personal decisions. It reminds us to be compassionate and patient with ourselves and others, as various factors can influence our decision-making abilities. Thank you for joining me in exploring this intricate phrase. I hope this video has shed light on the nuanced nature of impaired judgment and its impact on our lives. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the richness of the English language.